Hi everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a collective haul. I've been buying things here and there, and I thought I'd come on and share what I've picked up. This first item is totally enabled by my friend Wandy Sweets here on YouTube and Instagram. She had sent us for the holidays some personalized keychains, and she used vinyl on these acrylic blank pieces, and I was so inspired to create them. Of course, I wanted to do vinyl and resin because, you know, that's just kind of my thing. And this whole bag comes with the tassels, the key rings, and the jump rings as well. So, and they come with a bunch. So if you guys are interested in a process video, let me know. I can't wait to show you what I have brewed up in my mind. The next item, and this is a small Walmart haul. Again, I've been picking up items here and there. This is some Valentine's Day ribbon, and it's so stinking cute with the stitching. This was $3.98, and you get a bunch. Look. And I think it's so cute. I can't wait to make like a paper ruffle with this adorable white and red stitched trim. And then the next items, I went to Hobby Lobby finally. I haven't been there in like a while, so I just had like a small itched scratch. I did pick up some Valentine's Day items. They weren't on sale yet, but you know how things are there. They go really fast, so I just picked them up while I was there. I bought these hearts, and they are flat backs, and I love how cute they are. They're just fabric covered hearts. Again, $2.99. I would totally wait for the sale if you could. I'm just impatient, and if I can't avoid another trip, I will. I bought this bag of sequins, and again, with all the pinks, the reds, and the whites, I think this is a great starting point for all sequins mix because you just need to add all of the little itty bits to this mix. Did I get anything else? Oh, I've been seeing everyone haul these little mini bows. Again, I'm a sucker for any bows, and these mini ones, just yes, in the pink, red, and white. I really wanted another pack, but I was like, no, woman, go on a crafty diet, be good. So I only picked those 3 items from the Valentine's Day section, and everything else was pretty much on sale. Oh, with the exception of this. I also did buy these pony beads because they are pink, white, and red hearts. Again, so perfect for Valentine's Day to make dangles and wire wrap beads and whatnot. I love how big the hoops are, so you can even use them for tassels. They have a nice round big hole, so you can just feed yarn through them. Super cute. From the ribbon section, I did pick up this one, and it is the gold chunky glittered hearts. I don't have these, so I definitely want to pick that up. And then I went and picked up a couple of beads. I've got these bubblegum beads because all the colors this go with Christmas, Valentine's Day, just so perfect, and they were 50% off. I picked up these wood beads because I wanted to make tassels for my 3-tier treat, and these are already painted, and all the Valentine's Day colors, even fall if you wanted to, because you have some of that like beigey tones, those reds, so perfect for like a fall themed tassel. And then this bubblegum pink mix because again, screams Valentine's Day. Again, I cannot wait to make a project with these. Super cute. This was also 50% off. I did pick up this thread, and I needed a hot pink, and this was only 99 cents because it was I think it was 50% off, or I don't know. It was on sale. I know I paid 99 cents for these, so great bargain. And then I did get these 18 karat gold earring wires, these little hoops, because I have a project in mind for these. And then last but not least, I did make a haul from Monty, who's the Polka Dot Pine Cone here on YouTube. She always has such great sales, and I just wanted to like buy some essentials for Valentine's Day and some stuff that I didn't buy for Christmas. I did pick up 2 packs of these Hey Santa tassels because oh my goodness, I feel like these can go year round. I mean, the colors are so stinking cute, and they're already done for you. I'm pretty sure I can make these too, but Again, I'm going to pull inspiration from these, hopefully recreate them. I think they're so cute, so I had to pick up 2 packs. 2 packs. And then I bought a couple of 8.5 by 11. This is such a beautiful cardstock. This is from AC cardstock, but look how beautiful it is. And this is really thick. So you probably could use a big die. I mean, I would definitely use a big die for this because it's so textured. It almost feels like fabric backed with paper. So I picked up 4 sheets of these because they were 2 for $1. And then I picked up these foiled sheets. Again, AC cardstock. And this was also 2 for $1. So I picked up 4. Again, so perfect for Valentine's Day. And I believe... yeah, I got 2 sheets of this acetate. Let me see who this is from. Just American Crafts. But I love that black heart scribble. Ugh, I love anything scribbled, so I definitely got 2 sheets of these. I think she gave this to me. I'm not sure if I ordered this, but look how cute this paper is. Pink gold foil, and this is the back. It has all of these sayings. So stinking cute. Thank you, Monty. And I'll leave her YouTube channel down below. I don't know if I doubt I ordered this, but this Maggie Holmes acetate sheet from Shine. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you so much for the extras, Monty. And then I bought a bunch of these plastic sheets. And I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with them and what I can do with them. But they have the strangest, I mean, they are like acetate. I'll just take them off. So I want to show you out of the bag. So they're not as shiny as like a Mylar and it does feel like a plastic sheet. So I was so intrigued by this, and I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it, but like I might try doing with embossing folder. I'm wondering if that will kind of pick up the texture of an embossing folder. So I will report back to you what I can do with this. And I did pick up 3 sheets of the pink. I got 3 sheets of the white. I got 3 sheets of the mint. I just don't know what I'm going to do with them. I bought them because I've never seen them before, and Monty had them. And then I also picked up 3 sheets of this pink foam from Basil. It is, I can't tell how, it's a fairly thin, thin foam. And here is the description. But I wanted to see if I can make some shaker projects with them or embellishments. So I did pick up 3 of these foam sheets. And that is it for my haul today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.